the complete journey of a chocolate. Every piece of chocolate begins its journey long before it reaches the factory. Chocolate starts on tropical farms where cocoa trees thrive in warm, humid climates. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods by hand to protect the trees. Inside each pod are cocoa beans surrounded by sweet white pulp. The beans are fermented for several days, creating chocolate's complex flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun to reduce moisture. Once dried, the beans are shipped to chocolate factories around the world. At the factory, cocoa beans are roasted to enhance aroma and deepen flavor. Machines crack the beans and remove their shells, leaving cocoa nibs. The nibs are ground into a thick liquid known as cocoa liquor. This liquid chocolate forms the base of all chocolate products. Sugar and milk are blended in to create different chocolate varieties. Refining machines smooth the chocolate by breaking particles down even further. During conching, chocolate is slowly mixed to improve texture and flavor. Experts test the chocolate to ensure perfect taste and consistency. Tempering carefully controls temperature to give chocolate its glossy finish. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds of different shapes. The molds travel through cooling tunnels to harden evenly. Once cooled, the chocolate is released from the molds. Some chocolates are filled with caramel, nuts, or creamy centers. Automated machines wrap each bar to protect freshness. The packaged chocolate is stored and prepared for delivery worldwide. And that's how cocoa beans become the chocolate we all love.